Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe in this pandemic. My name is Damandeep Kaur, Science Mistress in Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Model Town, Patiala. Beta, as it is known to you, now onwards, the offline classes they are not possible over here in this pandemic. Now, you people are participating in the online classes, but today we have started to do some shared activities with you, and this is the ninth class activity, very first lesson, matter in arts round. And this activity is also our first activity in this. Now, as it is known to us, what is matter? Matter is something which occupies space and has some weight. Now, as it is clear now, they are made up of very tiny particles. Now we want to show you how small these tiny particles are there. For that we are going to do the one activity, and in this activity we need this small equipment which is easily available in your places also. We have taken 6 jars over here. You can take out the glass, and these are in science labs are regarded as the beaker as it is known to you. So we have taken 6 beakers, one measuring cylinders and a jug of water. Okay? And now for this activity we need potassium permanganate. You know what is the formula of potassium permanganate? It's KMnO4. Potassium permanganate. Now for that, for this activity we have to take potassium permanganate, and with the help of spatula we'll take this potassium permanganate into this beaker. But before that we have to put 100 ml of water. I am showing to you the marking is designated over here, starting from 10 ml to 100 ml. Demarcation is there. We'll take approximate 100 ml of water. Beta, for measuring this there is a one criteria. Now the slanting position is also not to be taken. It is not taken from the front view. Now we just have to measure it with the help of this same marking, and 100 is designated over here. Okay? So we'll take this 100 ml of the water into beaker number 1. I have placed it. Now a small tiny amount of this potassium permanganate I have taken into a spatula. This is a spatula. With the help of spatula we have taken the small amount of granules of the KMnO4, and we'll put it into this. Look at, the color is white. Just as I have added this crystal into it, you can see how fabulous these particles are started dissolving. Look at the color, it's changing. I just shake it so that it can absorb it. Still some particles they are present at the bottom, and they are dissolving. Just what a fabulous design is going to form. While these particles they are dissolving in this beaker, we'll take 5 more beakers and just we'll put 90 ml of water in it now. Look at, we are just placing 90 ml of water in it. It's approx, I think it's 90. Yes. I'll place these 90 ml of water into the beaker number 2. Then again I'll take the 90 ml of water. It's there. I'll place it into the beaker number 3. In the meanwhile, just look at the beaker number 1. The color changes from pink to violet, and the darkness content is going to increase in that. It's 80. then take out approx 90, it's 90. Now I will put it into beaker number 4. Then again we are taking again 90. Just see beta, 90 demarcation is there into the beaker number 5. Again we'll take again and it's 90 into the beaker number 6. Now except the beaker number 1 we are having 100 ml of the solution. Rest from 2 to 6 because we have just taken the 90 ml of the water content. Now let's see whole of the KMnO4 crystals, they are dissolved into the water or not. Look at the color, it's pure violet, dark bluish, you can see it, but it's a violet color. Can you see it? Now we'll take approx 10 ml of this KMnO4 solution, and it's a little higher amount. Just look at, we have taken the 10 ml. The amount is, I think, just excess. Yes, it's approx 10 ml. Now we'll put it into beaker number 2. Look at beta, what is going to happen. Look at the color. You can distinguish the color from beaker number 1 and beaker number 2. It's little lighter than the color of beaker number 1. Now we'll take again 10 ml from the beaker number 2 and it's little excess. Yes, baby. Look at, it's 10 ml. From number 2, I'll put into the 90 ml water which we have just taken into the beaker number 3. Look at. Now please look at the color. We are having beaker number 1 and the beaker number 3. Now again into the beaker number 4, we'll take the 10 ml of the solution from beaker number 3. The color is drastically changing to the light. Okay, now we'll put it into the beaker number 4. Look at the color. Now it's light pink and it's a dark violet color. Now again we are taking 10 ml of the solution into the beaker and just placing into the beaker number 5. It's still a light pinkish color is there still. Then from here we'll take 10 ml of the solution and place it into the beaker number 6. Last one. It's still pinkish. Look at the color distinguish we are getting from the beaker number 1 to the beaker number 6. So we designate it. We have just taken the KMnO4 solution. If it is not available in your places right now because it's a lab material and it is not easily available in the chemist shop, you can take out the Dettol soap also. What you will do that, you will take same the 6 glasses as we have taken 6 beakers. You can take out the 6 glasses, put a Dettol, a little amount of Dettol in beaker number 1. Then take a small same amount of water you have to take, whether you take out a spoon or you take out a small bowl and you put it into the 1, 2, 3, 4 and keep on repeating the experiment. You will see beta at the last glass when you put that Dettol solution, but you'll see that also give the smell, the Dettol which is present in beaker number 1, that is of course having a so much smell, olfactory nerves will carry you, but in the last beaker even you are having very little amount of Dettol, you will even then got the smell in the 6th or the last glass or beaker. This is the small activity beta, and I hope you will do this activity and enjoy to be remaining at home. So beta, do this activity, be safe, stay at home because your safety is our priority. Thank you. Have a nice day.